Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good morning everybody, how yous going out there in YouTube land? I hope today finds you all well and healthy. Look, that little bit of rain and that grass is coming right back. It'll need mowing soon. Alright, another long awaited thing arrived. Geez, if all the stuff I've got on order keeps turning up like this, I'll have to go camping shortly. Alright, so we've got this new Victron battery charger. Okay, it's not waterproof or anything like that. Alright, there it is there, it's a 20 amp. So that'll give me a total of, with the other charger I got in there, 45 amps. And if you need to work that out, it'll be 45 amps times volts, so that's 45 amps times 12.7 equals watts, people. If you need to know how big a generator that's going to take to run. Okay, so my wife found a short piece that already had a plug on it, an Anderson plug on it, 50 amp Anderson plug. And this cable, the cable's a bit heavy, but it actually fits in there quite snug and perfect. So we put that all in. This is good for about 75 amps. Hot water system running. Just had a friend here, so it's been running longer than anticipated. But as you can see, going through the BMS, the battery management system, we're putting 20.3 amps into the batteries, and the batteries are at 13.31 with the charger on, and they're at 84.6%. So we've got this charger turned on. We'll see how hot everything gets. It should all be fine. And it's a 20 amp. The other one, the one that this replaced, was a 17 amp. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little video. That's it for now. And yeah, look after yourselves, people. We're getting closer and closer to having everything ready so we can just bugger off. Looking forward to that day, let me tell you. Alright, cheerio, bye for now.